Hi kids, I hope you all are fine at your home. Myself Pratima Patel, mother teacher of senior KG from Sri Versus Vidyalaya. Today I will teach you I sound words. In previous video you have learned A sound words and E sound words. So let's start, okay? First write a heading. I, write in inverted comma, leave some space and write S O U N D sound. SOUND sound. Again leave some space and write WORDS words. I sound words. Okay, now tell me children, which picture is this? Lip. Spelling of lip. LIP, lip. L says L, I says E, P says P. LIP, lip. One more time, right? LIP, lip. LIP, lip. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Bib. Spelling of bib. B, B says B, I says E, again B says B, B-I-B, bib. Right, second time, B says B, I says E, B says B, B-I-B, bib. Now what is the next picture? Pin. Spelling of pin. P I N, pin. P says P, I says E, N says N. P-I-N, pin. Now what is the next picture? Zip. Spelling of zip. Z, Z says Z, I, P. Z, I, P, zip. Z, I, P, zip. Z says Z, I says E, P says P. Z, I, P, zip. What is the next picture? Bean. Spelling of bean. B, B says B, I says E, N says no. B-I-N, bean. B-I-N, bean. Okay. Now what is the next picture? Nib. Spelling of nib. N-I-B, nib. N says no. I says E, B says B. N-I-B, nib. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Kid. Spelling of kid. K I D, kid. K says K, L says E, D says the. K-I-D, kid. Now tell me children, what is this? Week. Spelling of week. W, W says W, I says E, G says go. W-I-G, week. W-I-G, week. Now tell me children, which picture is this? 6. What is the spelling of 6? S I X, 6. S I X, 6. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Fig. What is the spelling of fig? F I F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. F says for, I says E, G says go. F-I-G, fig. Now tell me children, what is this? Lead. Spelling of lead. L-I-D, lead. L says L, I says E, D says the. L-I-D, lead. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Fish, but what is called fin? Spelling of fin. F-I-N, fin. F says for, I says E, N says no. F-I-N, fin. So children, you have to write like this way in your 4-line notebooks. You have to write the heading, write spellings in 2 times in your 4-line notebooks. Okay children? Now let's do one activity. Identify the picture and circle the correct word. Children, you have to first identify the picture, read the spelling and circle correct spelling. Okay. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Fin. What is the spelling of fin? F-I-N, fin. It is correct spelling. Okay. Now first spelling read karo. J-U-G, jug. It is correct? No. F-I-N, fin. Is it correct spelling? Yes. Circle fin. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Zip. What is the spelling of zip? Z-I-P, zip. First read the spelling. L-I-D, lead. It is correct? No. S-I-P, sip. Is it correct? No. Z-I-P, zip. Is it correct? Yes. Circle on zip. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Tap. What is the spelling of tap? T-A-P, tap. Read the spelling. T-A-P, tap. Is it correct spelling? Yes. Circle on tap. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Nib. What is the spelling of nib? N-I-B, nib. First read the spelling. L-I-D, lead. Is it correct? No. N-I-B, nib. Is it correct spelling? Yes. Circle on nib. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Net. What is the spelling of net? B-A-T, bat. It is correct? No. H-E-N, hen. Is it correct spelling? No. N-E-T, net. Is it correct? Yes. Circle on net. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Hat. What is the spelling of hat? R-A-T, rat. Is it correct? No. C-A-P, cap. Is it correct? No. H-A-T, hat. Is it correct? Yes. Circle on hat. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Egg. Spelling of egg. E-double-G, egg. Now read the spelling. B-I-D, big. Is it correct? No. E-double-G, egg. Yes, it is correct spelling. Circle on egg. Now tell me children, which picture is this? Rat. What is the spelling of rat? R-A-T, rat. Is it correct spelling? Yes. Circle on rat. Okay children. So children enjoy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.